Hey everybody, Will here. I'm going to go through another quick tutorial for everybody. This is how to do a final grade change. We're going to start with the Columbus Tech main website and go to the quick link here for faculty and staff and for Team Connect. Usually you would have to use a username and login. This would be the same username and login for your email or for logging onto a computer on campus. But it remembered my username and password, so it brought me right on in. We're going to go to Forms, we're going to go to Academic Affairs, and then we're going to move over here and then go down to Final Grade Change Request. While we're here, we're going to type in the student's first name, student's last name. We're going to put in their 9-1 number. We're going to put in the term. We're going to put in the CRM for the course. We're going to put in the course code. And then we're going to put what the final grade was. And we're going to put what the final grade should be changed to. And then we can select me as the approver. Just disregard the categories there because I will be approving all general education and science and all of those courses. So you can type a note in here. And then hit submit. And that's pretty much it. That's how to do a grade change request.